Hi everybody! This video today is going to be about a ClassLink app called Gizmo. Gizmo is a site that offers interactive online labs. Similar to our other science app, TCI, Gizmo will always be found on our ClassLink page. When trying to access any of our Gizmo assignments, please go through ClassLink. On our ClassLink page, you will probably find Gizmo underneath the folder that is labeled grades 6 through 12. When you click on this folder, you should be looking for the app that is in a white box with a blue bubble. Underneath it, it will say Explore Learning Gizmos. When you click on the app, it should redirect you to a new web page. For you, it would take you automatically to your class period. Currently, we are working on the phases of the moon, and this would be the gizmo that you are using for the day. To open the gizmo, you are going to click on the button Launch. Once you do that, it should take you to the gizmo that you need to use for your lesson. Once you have your gizmo open, you will need to find the Google Doc that you are going to type your answers in. To do this, you are going to need to go to your Google Classroom page. On the very top, please select Classwork. Once you are in your Classwork tab, look for the week of October 5th through the 9th. On this page, you should notice that there is an assignment called Phases of the Moon Gizmo. Click on this assignment and you should have your own copy of this Google Doc. Please make sure to read the directions, as the directions will give you the steps as to how to use your gizmo. If you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, please let me know right away.